So we're starting off the day with a 2015 Explorer. It has low oil pressure, and the oil pressure switch is leaking. It's a really common problem on these. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the pressure switch. I can get my finger down there. This one has the oil core, so it's a little bit tougher to do, but it's right. Leave the light on. It's kind of in between the AC compressor and the alternator. I'm gonna use a 21 millimeter socket. Pull it out with a little extension. Grab my ratchet. This is the easy part. The hard part's getting it back in. Get back on it. I don't think we can make it any tighter. This one has an oil cooler, so it's a little bit more difficult. Wire out. Just tear your gloves up. Okay. Pull the engine over. Stick it out like that. Make it a little bit easier. They can kind of get down here. Okay. Let's try this again. Finally. All that, we're good. Here's the switch. See all the oil in it? I'm going to transfer the weather pack.
You guys check the power steering on this one? Potential power steering?
No, that thing, yeah, I'll have to look at it.
Yeah.
That they just,
Someone just tell the house to clean it first?
no, yeah, let me, yeah, I would tell them that. It's really bad under there. It's just covered in crap. Let's get the let's put the master in, then we can. Yeah, well, because if we put the master on, and with the pressure, it might blow the wheel cylinders out or something stupid like that. Because the whole, I mean, that thing was what, 27 years old, 28 years old. That's all you can do. Okay, now we get the phone cord, putting the new one in. This is not gonna be fun. Right? You gotta use the eyeballs on your fingers. Okay. Got it. Somehow. Some way every single day. So if you have one of these with an oil pressure light that comes on, it's leaking oil from the oil pressure switch. Replace the oil pressure switch. I think I've seen them, the lights come on without them start leaking yet. Hello. But it's quite a common problem on these. These ones are a little bit tougher because this one has an oil cooler. The ones without are pretty easy.
Front disc, rear disc, rear drum.
Front disc, rear drum.
Front disc, rear drum.
Okay.
So, bud,
How's it going?
hey, I think Yancy told me to come over here. I guess that's over. Have a good reputation. I think that's 2013 Silverado right there.
Yeah.
The AC doesn't work, but I think what it is, I think it's something I think it's like gate with a damper
Okay.
inside the dash somewhere.
Where is it?
13.
They have, Andy, on the 13s, they have problems with the condenser on those?
I'm sure.
Chevys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just gotta check it.
It was, but I think
Grab
that,
my flashlight. Oh, all right.
I think the compressor's working and all that. I think that's all working. I think it's just that gate inside. And what happens is if the gate doesn't close, it goes to heat.
That's tight. Okay, let me get a screwdriver to get the weather pack out. When I cut up your arm scale, this thing ranks pretty high. Ranks not my favorite. Okay. Clean the leather pack up. I gotta get the harness. This is not like a Hyundai. Those are not so fun. The other packet's in, and lights on, and then we're gonna plug the switch back in. Okay. Well, that wasn't that bad. My arm says otherwise, but so, let me clean it up and then we'll fire it up. So I'd recommend using a bucket when you do one of these, because it makes a mess. Let's go and fire it up and see what happens. Okay, now we're back in. This is gonna be the first start. I still gotta top the oil off. I just want to start it and make sure it looks good. Okay. No oil pressure light. If it was, there would be a sign that pops up like that. It says oil pressure. Cool. So we're just gonna check the oil and should be good to go.